Hello and welcome to the beautiful world of artistic bakes. As we all know that Diwali is upcoming. So why not make something sweet and treat your guest, which can be served as a gift hamper as well as tea time snack. So let's get started with the recipe. So we are going to make choco-filled cookies. Yes, you heard it right. Choco-filled cookies. Choco-filled cookies with a oozing chocolatey center. So let's see the ingredients, what all we need. So the first ingredient that we need is salted butter, brown sugar, castor sugar, plain milk powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, dark chocolate chunks, and some water. Measurement of these ingredients will be noted down in the description box below. So let's begin. Okay, so first we will blend our butter and sugar. So my brown sugar goes in. With that goes in my castor sugar, and we will start the creaming process. So the butter here I am taking is a room temperature soft butter. So now you can see the color and the texture both has changed. So now what we will do is we will add vanilla essence to it. You can see the texture, it has become airy. Now what we will do is we will sift in the dry ingredients. First goes in the flour, milk powder, cocoa powder, baking powder. Sift in the dry ingredient. After sifting the dry ingredient with the help of a spatula, just mix everything. After everything has mixed well, just switch to your hands. Start mixing everything with your hand so that you can feel the consistency of the dough. At this stage, we will add water and we will combine it into a soft dough. So this is the texture of your dough. So now what we will do is we will prepare a pan. We will line the tray with a sheet and we will start shaping our cookies. Take around 40 grams ball and shape it. Make a center. Shape it into a ball-like shape. Place a choco chunk in the center. Don't overfill it. Just stuff around 15 grams of chocolate chunk and close it. See? After closing it, again shape it and place it on the tray. Okay, when placing two cookies, just make sure to keep at least 3 fingers gap between the cookies. Okay, let's finish up all the cookies. So in total I have got 10 cookies and now all my cookies are ready. Now this will go inside the preheated oven on 160 degree for 12 minutes. So let's bake our cookies. Our freshly baked choco-filled cookies is out of the oven and it smells amazing. So let's look at the texture. So when your cookie is out of the oven, let it rest on the tray for at least 10 minutes. So let's have a look on the texture. It is still hot, but let's see. It is soft from inside with a oozing chocolate. Ready to be enjoyed. So let's taste our cookies. Delicious. Do make it and let me know how did it turn out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Like, share and comment on the videos below. See you in the next video.